I've always wanted to be an idiot sandwich. Hi besties and people of the internet. I have a new mic and I don't know what to do with my hands now, so hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna attempt a recipe from the myth, the legend, the one and only Gordon Ramsay. I've always wanted to be an idiot sandwich. I've always felt that. First thing, I didn't buy gelatin. I was so sure about it and it fell out of the basket or something. Long story short, my hubby is right now on the way to Savvy, my best friend, to get gelatin for us. Cause I'm stupid and it's Sunday and I live in Germany and stores aren't open, so she's literally a lifesaver today. And we're gonna make a vanilla infused panna cotta with pomegranate glaze, which sounds super fancy, and I love panna cotta and I love pomegranate and everything pomegranate, so yeah. I know my 4 friends watching this are burning to know what the fun drink of the day is, but I'm back in Germany and it's dark outside, so if the lighting is weird or anything, sorry about that. It gets dark at 4. I've been cleaning the house all day. What am I supposed to do? But I have a fun drink. Our fun drink today is a Dr. Pepper vanilla float, because I love my vanilla floaties, or floaties in general. So, and everybody that has nails knows this. I can do anything but open cans. So, Dobby, your food scissors have to do. Cheers! Let's get into it as soon as my hubby's back. The recipe seems simple, and it doesn't have a lot of ingredients, honestly, so yeah, let's get right to it. We need heavy cream, lactose free because we don't want our bellies to hurt, whole milk, also lactose free because belly. I feel like I'm off on the measurements already. Sugar, this is fine. The gelatin that's on the way, cold water, and 2 leaves of this. Let's wait 5 minutes. It's done. Nope. We have accomplished the gelatin. They put the glasses, you have to put the panna cotta in there into the ingredients, which is wild. The vanilla bean. The bean. Dobby. The vanilla bean. So what I do with vanilla beans is like I cut it in half and then I go with the back of my knife and I scrape it out. Be careful, that sticks, like vanilla sticks everywhere. The way my hubby knew I was gonna have a full meltdown and start crying if I cannot film now. He's like, don't cry, no cry. This is all you need. Like, this is probably gonna be too much already. More sugar. Seems about right to me. Pomegranate juice, which was really hard to find, by the way. I was this close to another meltdown because I thought I forgot that to buy this as well. I really needed a scale. I don't trust my scale anymore. And for decoration, this time, I'm gonna think about it this time. And it's just gonna be our garnish. Dark chocolate and pineapple. Pomegranate seeds. I feel like this is gonna be good. And I'm very stoked. How bad can it be? Oh, Dobby, you wanna say hello too? Dobby is back. And let's start. She's like, please call Dobby Protection Services. I don't want to be here. Why are you looking at me like that? By the way, this is what we're competing against. Just to give you an idea. I have flower bowls, so maybe, I don't know, if like the quality will improve over time. This is all thanks to my friend Arjan. And like, she knows everything, photography, like all. Like, book her for all your stuff if you're in Cyprus. Like, honestly. Or want to go to Cyprus, or fly her out. So basically we have to combine all the stuff in a saucepan and make it dissolve and make the sugar dissolve and then put it off the heat and add in the gelatin, let it melt as well. That sounds so easy. So it can't be that hard, right? Right? I'm telling myself more surface is better. Okay, so we're gonna put this on heat, add in the heavy cream and the milk, the right sugar, vanilla, and now I whisk it all together. That should be it, right? And I want to put on a timer because I'm curious how long it takes for everything to dissolve. So here we go. Here goes nothing. It says to put it on medium heat, but I'm impatient, so we're gonna go full heat and then put it off. What is it, Dobby? She wants the whipped cream. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a slight boil. We have the tiniest bubbles. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat now. The sugar is pretty much dissolved. This was much quicker than I thought it would. That wasn't even 5 minutes. Like, what do you mean? Putting it off the heat? You're my witness. Now we have to act quick, because the gelatin can't cook, because otherwise the gelatin won't but it won't work. I don't know how it works. Okay, there we come. Okay, now we let this dissolve. Is it? It's already gone. That was like 5 milliseconds. What? Hear me out. It's the surface. It's because we have so much surface. I'm telling myself that's what it is. Well, that's the panna cotta. I'm confused that it is so simple, but good with me. I'm gonna put this in my little flower bowls, put it in the fridge for an hour, and hope the gelatin is gelatining. Okay, bye. Getting Nessie to help me. What was I thinking? Wait, Loki? I'm slaying this. Wait, I spoke too soon. But still, look. Wait, my flower bowls are perfect for this. Okay, so far this tastes like the best vanilla pudding ever. So, see you in an hour. Oh well, so we meet again. I'm coming at you full home office fit, cause yesterday I was tired. I'm just a girl. That's why we're gonna make coffee real quick. Don't worry, this is also Chamberlain coffee. But it's the vanilla lamp blend. I like this one more. See my dirty glass? I need this. I need the sugar. I need the caramel goodness. If I seem tired at all, it's because I am. I'm born to be a fairy and dilly-dally, but I'm forced to Microsoft 365. I wanted to make it cool. By the way, we're in the darkness again, because it's winter. Despite my regular depression, I'm gonna blame winter on winter depression, which reminds me I have to take my antidepressants. Oh wow, this is underwhelming. This is what I need. Okay, we just have to finish off the glaze. That's all we have to do. And decorate. So this should be manageable. So basically what's happening now is we're gonna make a simple syrup, but instead of water, we're gonna we're gonna take my brain is not braining anymore. Instead of water, we're gonna take pomegranate juice and sugar, let the sugar dissolve, and we're good to go. Because I'm impatient, I'm gonna put it on full heat. I swear I cleaned this after yesterday. I'm gonna try not to fall asleep. That was pure caramel syrup. What is it, Dobby? You wanna say hi again? No. At least someone is happy. Is it this so... Okay, we have to let this cook for a little bit so it gives like the syrupy texture and like the, you know, yeah. By the way, this is the closest thing you can buy to Starbucks caramel syrup in Germany. And I approved this as an ex-Starbucks employee, so... Oh, bubbles! I feel like we should start with the decoration aspect of this, which is dark chocolate. Let's scrape some. Good enough for me. I feel like we need more sugar in this, because this is not getting syrupy at all. This should be enough, right? It's like half the bar. Dobby, it's chocolate, it's poison. There we go. This looks more like it. Just add like twice the sugar. Do I look tired? I feel tired. I hope this comes across. Because I am. Of life. I don't feel like the point is not to get it sticky. Like a real syrup. I feel like it should just be thickened. There was so much steam coming out, but there's still liquid inside. This is crazy to me. I think this looks good. I feel like I'm gonna spill it on the floor, but there you go. This looks good to me. Please don't break. Please don't. I try to give it like the highest falling so it cools down a little. So this is all. I'm just gonna stand here and shake it a bit. I mean, I feel like the consistency is about right. I see a crack inside the glass. Seems like this is our last red, buddy. I'm just gonna get out the panna cotta now. I'm impatient. This is what we're dealing with. I love when you can see the like vanilla bean flakes. Have I mentioned yet that I'm impatient? I'm gonna transfer it as much as it needs to be cold. Look at my crime scene. It's really on there. It's very sticky. It's very stuck. Chocolate and pomegranate seeds. So in theory, this was super easy and super quick. In reality, it took me over a day. So, I mean, it's said best to cool it overnight, so I feel like it's not that big of a deal. But still, I think we have to do the taste test now. It's hard. It's so good. One try. This hits in all the right spots. What do you rate it? 8. Seems like I'm having an imaginary friend. Just because he's like, Honestly, this is so good. I feel like this is the best panna cotta I ever had. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I still believe they can be better, but like from what I know, this is pretty good. Gordon, I salute. And also, I hope I didn't end up being that big of an idiot sandwich. Okay, so that's all I got today. Dobby is leaving me as well. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video. Consider subscribing, commenting, everything the YouTube algorithm loves. Like, drop something in the comments, like my acne, I don't know, something. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.